Magandang tanghali, OK fam! Ang paborito kong kasama tuwing tanghali ay nagbabalik na. This is OK Panalo Season 3, Match Made in Love. Match sa kilig, match sa panalo.
Hello guys, I'm Glean.
I'm Mark Takad Oronea po. Hello guys, I'm Jake Gordon.
One, go!
I told you!
Tama. Ayun,
Diba?
nagawa niya. One, go!
Wow!
1,000! Ako lang. Meron ka ng 9,000 pesos!
Yes!
Ayun, malapit na matapos. Hands up pag natapos. Okay, at natapos na.
The hopeful number 2.
Nako, hopeful number 2. 8 seconds. Nako, nakaapat.
Wow!
Isa na lang. 5 seconds left.
3,
2, 1, 0. Meron kang 19,000 pesos. Thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Bye-bye po.
Tuesday.